Eat homemade and stay healthy. The store-bought chocolate spread that we get is full of preservatives and sugars. Hi everyone, welcome to Homemade. Today I'm going to share with you healthy chocolate spread recipe that is not only simple to prepare but delicious, and I'm sure your kids gonna love it. Try it to believe it. In a kadai, roast 1 cup of almonds for 7 to 8 minutes on a low flame. Roast till you get brown spots on the almonds. Take it out in a plate and let it cool down completely. Cooling the almonds is very important step. Do not skip it. Once the almonds are completely cooled down, transfer them in the mixer grinder jar and grind it till the mixture becomes stiff. Scrape the sides and give it a quick mix. Grind it again till the oil starts releasing. Once you see the oil is started to release, scrape the side again, give it a quick mix, add 1/4 cup of cacao powder and 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. Quantity of sugar is according to your preference. Grind it till you get a dough-like consistency. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other neutral oil. Once you add oil and grind it, you will get a spread-like consistency. Melt 50 grams of dark chocolate, pour it in the almond mixture and grind it again. Finally, add 1 fat pinch of salt, and if you wish you can add vanilla extract as well. Grind it till you get the desired smoothness. I like my chocolate spread to be little grainy. However, if you wish a smooth chocolate spread, grind it furthermore. Store it in a glass airtight container and keep it at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. If you like my video, consider to subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon for further notification. Eat homemade and stay healthy. God bless.